Hi, this is Vijayan speaking. I am doing COVID data analytics for the last 1 year, and this video is all about how do you protect yourself from the COVID wave 2 that is spreading so fast in India. So currently India got around 1.8 lakh cases per day, and let's compare it with wave 1. Wave 1, to reach the maximum 97,000, it took almost 3 to 4 months. But to reach the 1 lakh cases in India, it just took 30 days from March till April, and today it's around 1.8 lakhs cases, and statistical model is projecting that it can cross 2 lakhs in couple of days, and the next week it can go to 2.5 lakhs per day. And the doubling rate in India is every 10 days, so every today it is around 13.5 lakh cases per day, and if you see last 10 days it was around just half of it, around 6.8 lakh cases. So this is very important. Like, doubling rate is the most essential thing that needs to be monitored when there is an epidemic going, and India is going as a 10 days doubling rate. And next thing, important thing, is the positive rate. India has a positive rate of 14%. What is positive rate? Positive rate, it is basically if you test 100 people, 14 people are positive. So that is very worrying situation. And the maximum India has in Maharashtra, it's around 25%. If you test 100 people, 25 people are positive. So this is the current state of India, and let's see how we can protect ourselves from this virus. It's all about in this video. So there was a similar situation in US, and the way it happened is basically there are two things happening here in India. One is people are not wearing mask, and people think that COVID is over, and started roaming freely with social gatherings, indoor gatherings, a lot of super spreader events happening in the indoor, and a lot of marriages happening. So this is one reason. Another reason could be that there is a variant of concern in India that Ministry of Health has said last month that India has mutants like B117 UK variant, Brazil variant, and South African variant, as well as India has a double mutant called B1617 that is found in Maharashtra. And there was a report today that saying that it's around 60% of people in Maharashtra infected with this double mutant virus. So we are still in genomic analysis that if these viruses are the main reason of this super spreading happening in India, but we'll have to wait and see. Research is still going on. But as a citizen, as a common man, how we can stop the spread is all about this video. First thing is like suggestion what done by Center of Disease Control when there is spreading so fast in US. They suggested double masking. Let's see what is double masking is all about. So double masking is nothing but you wear a surgical mask. It should be very close enough, and you wear a cloth mask. So wearing a cloth mask alone might not be sufficient at this point of time. So wearing a double masking can give you 95% protection, and there is a lot of research happened this double masking concept, and proven to be safe to protect from this virus. And another recommendation by lot of experts and CDC is to wear an N95 mask instead of a cloth mask for these kind of mutants actually. So this N95 mask will be highly protective and give you 95% protection. So I would recommend people to switch over from your regular cloth mask and to any of these masks. Okay. And another very important thing is there's a lot of researches happened in foreign countries where they say that virus spreads so fast in indoor setup. So it is 75% more transmissible when there is a closed environment, and that's why a lot of group gathering happening indoors. That is main source of this infection. So if you want to meet a person, you meet it in a very ventilated space. That's very important. And make sure that whoever you talk also wears mask. And there is a lot of research done that you can protect yourself around 70% if you wear mask. But if the other people have also wearing mask, you can protect yourself from 95%. And if that person is not wearing it, you have a chance of 30 to 40% getting infected. So make sure that you wear mask, and make sure others also wear mask when you interact with. So that's very important. And avoid indoor setup. Meet anybody in very well ventilated space. That's very important at this point of time. And next very important is what I should do if I get mild symptoms of COVID. It can be cough, cold, or fever. I should first isolate myself. So I should not go for any group gatherings to meet relatives or to attend a marriage. That should be highly avoidable, because you should not be a super spreader to 100 people, and they should not start spread, right? So we should stop the spread. So you should first isolate yourself, get yourself tested. Only then contact tracing can be done to avoid the spread, and it can be stopped at the starting point itself, right? That's very important. And third, very important is vaccination. There is a lot of myths going around in vaccination. Two types of myth. If I put vaccines, I'm free from virus. I can just go out and roam around without mask. I will not get. So that is very very bad, very wrong. If even if you put vaccination, it will take 2 weeks to get the antibodies created, and you should actually put 2 doses. Only then you will be protected enough. So as per statistics, what they say is like trials. As per trials, if you do put 1 dose, it's around 60 to 70% efficiency, and if you put the second dose, it will be 80% efficiency. And a lot of people say, even I get I put vaccine, I'm getting COVID. Then what's the point in putting vaccines? But that is not right. Vaccines can protect you 100% from severity of the disease. That's what the trials have proven. If you have put vaccines, you might get COVID, but that COVID will not make you severe. Like you will not get hospital admission, or you will not get ICUs. It can be easily treated at home as a mild COVID. So that's very important. So it protects 100% from everybody from getting severe COVID, right? So that's the reason why you should put. And there is another myth that vaccines are not safe, and I shouldn't put it, right? That is also not wrong. India has put more than 10 crore vaccines till now, and India has chosen Covishield, Covaxins, and Covishield has been put 95% in India. So both these vaccines have proven to be there is no side effects, and you can go ahead and put. So this myth is also not right, and the vaccines are very important at this point of time to save life, and everybody can put. It is absolutely safe. Thank you.